What's up, guys? I hope everybody had a good Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to be changing the battery on my 370Z, my 2009 370Z. And I changed the battery on the key fob, so now I can actually unlock it. So unlocked. And yeah, so we're going to be changing the battery. So the battery is like over in this section, but then there's like a cover you got to take off. So we're going to do that. Yeah, I know there's a lot of rock chips on my hood, but I'm gonna clean this up with some stuff I found. So first we gotta pop the hood. Let's go in here, open it up. Let's pop this. Hopefully it'll pop. Can't do this. That was bad. Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna go off camera to pull this, but I'll be back. Okay, I got the hood popped, and the previous owners, they even took off the cover. But here's the battery, right here. So, yeah. So this is the negative, and then this is the positive. So I take that off, and then put the new battery in. And yeah. Okay, so I unscrewed I took this one all the way off and put it over there. This one's like this, and I put this one and I put it over through here so it doesn't get messed up. And now I'm gonna pull the battery and put in the new one. And you can use these caps to your advantage. So if you're only using this one, keep that cap on. If you're only using that one, keep that cap on. So I'm gonna pull the battery and then put in the new one. And then put these back and then start the car. Usually there should be a cover over here. You'd have to take off the cover to do it, but there wasn't any cover in my case. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I got them both plugs put in. Everything should work. Hopefully the horn will be a little bit louder. If it's not, then I'll probably have to get a new horn. But I think it was just a battery issue. So let's see. Find out. Press the good old Z button. Yeah, I might need a new horn, but at least I got a new battery. But that sounds a little bit better than before, so that's not too bad. Hopefully I don't have to use the horn a lot anyway, because if you use your horn, that's not a good thing. But yeah, I put the connectors there, or tighten up the connectors. If anybody wanted to know what size I use a little socket, and this is the size. Oh, this is a 10mm, right? Focus. Hold up. Hold up, it doesn't want to focus. There we go, 10mm. So yeah, 10mm. Change out the battery, so everything will be good to go. Next video, we're going to take out this whole bumper and replace this light because it's really foggy because I got this shiny new light. We're going to have that light. So yeah, this is going to do it for this video. There's probably going to post drag strip videos after this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.